Why Coffee Spot? Kasi si Coffee Spot, ganito yon. Marami na kami nakausap na mga iba't ibang coffee companies. Si Coffee Spot lang po yung maasikaso, responsive, laging nandyan pag may mga questions ka. Maraming coffee shop dyan na cart lang pero hindi nagtatagal kasi wala silang ibang products. Walang ibang may serve sa ibang tao. So yun yung dream ko. So kaya naisip namin si Coffee Spot, welcome sa lahat ng ganong bagay. Thank you for being here with us today. Your support is the foundation of our success. We hope you will enjoy what we have offer and that Coffee Spot Kapasigan will become your
Salamat din kay JJ dahil kung hindi sa kanya hindi natin makikilala si Sir J. And thank you so much po sa family nyo na pagsuporta and pagtitiwala po kay Coffee Spot. Thank you for choosing us.
After pandemic, meron na tayong 200 branches. Hindi po ako naniniwala
tumulong sa amin sa lahat ng bagay. Raise our cups to new beginnings, endless possibilities, and of course, great coffee. Thank you, and we look forward to serving you. Enjoy that night.
Welcome to Coffee Spot, Kapasigan, Pasig City. Now open to serve you.